Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use badge in Material UI React. For badge we need to use the badge component, and inside this badge component we can use one icon or any other view. For example, I'm using one icon, it's the main outline, and for a badge we can give the badge content. So it is the number that we want to show in a badge and also the color. Now if I save it, then you can see that this badge is showing to the top right, and also we can change the background color of this badge. For that I need to use this color props, and I can give primary or secondary, or I can give it as error. So if I give secondary, then it will take the secondary color, and if I give it as error, also you can add any other colors if you have set has configured your theme. You can add any number of values here for the badge content. Suppose I'm reading this, then it will show as the 99 plus. If you want to show as like 999 plus or 1000 plus, for that you need to add this props, it's called max. Suppose I'm reading it as max as 1000. Now you'll see that it's showing as 1000 plus. I can also give it as 10, then it will give it as 10 plus. So you can adjust it using this max property. If I give the badge content as 0, then you'll see that this is removed. For that we need to use one different props. It's called show 0. Now you will see that it is showing the 0. And if you want to hide it, this badge, then you can use this invisible equal to true, then it will hide the badge. This badge is hidden. Also you can change it to like a dot, so you need to use this variant property. Then you can see the we need to change it to something else. Suppose I'm giving it as 100, so I had one typo here. Now you can see that it is changed to dot, so you can using this variant property to change it. We can also change the position of this badge. For that we need to use anchor origin, and here we can give the vertical and the horizontal position. Suppose I'm giving this vertical as bottom and the horizontal as the right. Now you'll see that it is moved to this right to the bottom. You can give it also to left, and this on the top, then it will change it to top left. So these are the basics of badge in Material UI. If you love this video, please like it and please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. Thanks, bye.